So this is the 2-minute video of my walkthrough in Gili. So right over there behind me, it's the port where I walk out of, and everyone's just very helpful the moment you arrive on this island. The reason why I come here is because of this energy that I can literally calm down, be at ease. You know what? In fact, the reason why this is a wide angle is because I want you to get a sense of the place more than my rant, because this is just a 2-minute video. So I'm going to go ahead and make it to the the main lane. And believe me when I say, the moment you walk onto this island, everything is just, there's some different energy. As you can see, there are just two-wheelers over here, no motor vehicles, mostly cycles and these electric scooters, which is just recently new. This place is big on coffee, health, protein shakes, smoothies, and the thing about this place loves cats though. You'll see a lot of cats around here. Am I 2 minutes up? Shit, too much pressure. Can I carry on? There's no editing here, but this is once in a lifetime, so let's give it another minute. So the best thing about this place is that in the night time, every place, as you can see, there are like a lot of these shacks, beach shacks and bars, but because they want to make sure that the parties remain focused in one place, they have this silent understanding that Monday we're going to do it in this place, Tuesday we're going to do it in this place, which is what I love, man. The community coming together to help each other out. So everyone I see on the boat when I came in here are usually the people who I meet at the parties as well. And yeah, if you ever come with a lot of luggage, you got to use those. Easiest way to move your luggage around, because these hotels can be very far away from the port. Man, I feel like a tour guide here. 10 times is not a joke. What else? I already reached my hotel. Wow. Okay, I'm sure that this was more than a 2-minute video, or maybe a 4-minute video. But it's okay. So if you ever think of coming to Gili Trawangan, just make sure it's Gili Trawangan of the 3 islands. There's Gili Air, Gili Menyo also, but those are for other reasons. This has a perfect mix of relaxing and partying. This is Nikhil, when out of frame.